Rodney.
So cute. Oh. Hi, cutie. Is that a video?
Yeah.
Your mom finally figured out how to upload to YouTube.
Oh, I know. Filming.
Yeah, it only took her like 17 hours.
I don't even have a YouTube account.
Your mom's more technologically advanced than you are.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Riley, don't bite. Riley.
Let her do it for a minute.
Pretty soon, you let her do it to you for a minute.
Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her. She goes, I gotta pose.
Mary, now that you know how to do it, you can upload any of your other videos to YouTube.
Uh-huh.
But if you don't do it for like 6